Should we put all required and their dependent packages on Requirement.Txt or only required packages? If I install one package, e.g., pip install Python on newly created virtual env, what I receive when I execute. Output. Question: should we need to put all these in Requirement.Txt file or just Python == 0.17? Once I was asked to clean up Requirement.Txt file, so I did updated the code from 2. And I am still not sure whether I should put all packages what I receive form pip freeze or it's okay/better to put only those required packages without dependent packages. Reading the document of pip, what I found closest is requirements files are used to force pip to properly resolve dependencies. As it is now, pip doesn't have true dependency resolution, but instead simply uses the first specification it finds for a project. I am still as confused as I was earlier. Help will be appreciated.
I did myself a lot, and what Charles Duffy commented above seems most proper way. You should have two separate dependency lists, one with the dependencies a human has decided you need, which shouldn't contain transitive dependencies, one with the frozen list that reflects what you tested against, which should contain transitive dependencies. However, recently with the release of pipenv, I think this is the better way to keep track of dependencies. It's like npm, much easier to maintain requirements and creating venv. It automatically creates and manages a virtual env for your projects, as well as adds/removes packages from your pip file as you uninstall packages. It also generates the ever-important pip file.lock, which is used to produce deterministic builds.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.